إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد. Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. We are celebrating Eid Al Adha. So today we are going to discuss about Eid Al Adha. Okay, shall we start? Okay. Eid Al Adha is the second biggest festival in Islam, which is celebrated on 10th of Dhul Hijjah. Eid Al Adha literally means the Eid of sacrifice. On this day, Muslims around the world sacrifice an animal. The animals that can be slaughtered are sheep, goat, cow, and camel. The animal sacrifice should be divided into 3 equal parts that should be distributed among family, relatives, and charity among needy. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Quran in Surah Hajj, verse number 37, their meat will not reach Allah, nor will their blood. But what reaches Him is piety from you. Let's recall the story of great sacrifice. We all know Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam is one of the dearest prophet of Allah, and his title Khalilullah has been given by Allah Himself, means friend of Allah. Once upon a time, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam had a dream where he was ordered by Allah to sacrifice his beloved son Ismail alayhi salam to testify his faith. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam took his son to sacrifice, but at the final moment he closed his eyes, and when he was about to sacrifice his son, an angel shifted Prophet Ismail alayhi salam with a sheep by Allah's order. We sacrifice an animal to commemorate the act done by Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam on Eid Al Adha. Okay friends, we have learned about Eid Al Adha and Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Inshallah, we will learn more about his life in future. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak. And you should say this takbir. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar walillahil hamd. Assalamu alaikum friends. Eid Mubarak. So today is Eid day. So this is the Sharjah Mosque. Now we have done our prayer. So we are going now to home, but still not yet. Can you see the masjid? Yeah, so big. This is the only masjid we always come to eat to after our prayer, because this is the one of the special masjid. Okay friends, Eid Mubarak from me and my family. Thank you. for watching my video. Please subscribe and share and like. Thank you and Eid Mubarak again.
اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك